All right, this is my March 9th Highlander update. Just a couple of things I wanted to show you guys real quick. One of them, Steve Henry covered on his videos. It was a really slick idea on how to do this, and it may be how everybody does it. I don't know, but I thought it was really nifty. When you're drilling these holes for your latch, for your seat adjustment, you basically just locate the rear stop collar, move this all the way back. This makes a perfect drill guide for your 1/4-inch bit. Drop it in there, drill that hole out, move it up to the forward position you want, drill it, and then I took the rivet fan and just spread it out and located the rest of those holes, and then just go through drilling each one of them. And it's, you know, they're perfectly lined up, perfectly centered, it drops exactly where you want it to. So that was really slick and a neat way to do it. The other thing that I actually got from Steve, which I modified just a little bit, was these blocks for your mixer. The way they have you do it is you mount an additional washer in between here, and that keeps them from binding and makes it nice and smooth. What Steve likes to do, and I agree with him, is he usually gets like an 1.5 inch sanding drum and sands that out, holds them together, sands them out, makes a nice finish. The only thing I did different was I got one of these little cheap sanding drums from Amazon, ones that as you crank down on it, it tightens it up. That allowed me to get this dimension off of this after it was powder coating, and basically just screw this up until it tightened enough where that blew out to that exact dimension I needed. 400 grit sticky sandpaper on the outside of it. Reamed that out. It made a really nice, super, almost like glass finish in there. And then I went ahead and I drilled in the optional oiling hole. But what I did after that was I marked out the perfect center all the way around the inside of that. Used the small Dremel cutter and just cut about a 1/16 inch deep groove all the way around it. So basically a grease groove. That allows that oil to get all the way around it, no problem, and it did make it really slick and move nice and easy. Rudder pedal assembly located, the cables ran, that worked out really nice, no big problems. And I did finally get the rest of my elevator control rods bent up where I wanted it. The length cut to what I needed to after I had to do the bends. So I'm ready to pull that back out and get it welded up and powder coated and permanently. So now it's on to avionics and some engine stuff. So I'm gonna have some cool stuff to show on the Yamaha 998 Turbo. In the next video, we'll have some progress with the getting the gearbox on it and getting that ready to go. That's my update for the week. Thanks for watching.